Welcome to our channel!
Today, we are going to open this toy. It's called Fizz in
and
Surprise. I don't know what we're going to get. I think it's one of these dinosaurs or the bones. To find the surprise, you must drop the egg in warm water, and then once you've dropped the egg in warm water, it will fizz. And then find the dinosaur and voila! Let's start. We need scissors to open the plastic wraps. Are you ready, guys? In 3, 2, 1.
It's working. Look at this one. Like a foot of it.
On the foot.
Oh, we have to tummy. That's bad. Oh! Another foot. Oh, another foot.
There's one more foot. And here is the head.
Wait. Oh!
So, my brother is going to build the dinosaur.
It's done.
Look, my brother switched the legs. The dinosaur that we got is an Ankylosaurus. It has spikes and a club. I hope you enjoyed our video.
Bye!